Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video we're gonna learn how to activate your Stash debit card. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. So we have two options in activating Stash debit card. You could either click the Activate Card button, above the Invest section. Or click on the tab that says Bank, located at the upper right part of the screen. So if you clicked on Bank, you will see several options at the middle part of the page. Click on the option that says Activate Card. Now, create a 4-digit ATM/card PIN. On the first field, enter the 4-digit PIN you wish to use. Then re-enter it on the second field. After that, click on Submit. Next, enter your card information. First, enter the card number. Then the card's expiration date. And lastly, the CVV or card verification value. After that, click on the Activate Card button. And now your card is activated. That's how you activate your Stash debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.